Do More, Spend Less by Brad Wilson, Consumers Rule. Welcome to YourBookSummary.com. To become a smart shopper and make the most of the best deals available, you must change your mindset and approach your finances creatively and innovatively. However, it is important to take it one step at a time and keep everything the same. First, you could focus on one area of your consumer life, such as your travel habits, and gradually improve them. Once you have made some progress there, you can move on to other areas, such as finding better financial services and credit cards. I hope you found the information about Do More, Spend Less by Brad Wilson intro. This brings us to the end of this book. Check out our YouTube channel if you're hungry for more knowledge and want to explore other books. It's chock full of informative videos and recommendations to keep you engaged and learning. So head on over and subscribe today. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.